JH6 is a representative heavy-duty truck which produced by FAW. Based on high-tech design concept and the overall modular design, it meets various customized demands. Except for the fashionable and imposing appearance, the unique design of the JH6 cab is also reflected in the optimization of overall performance, including economy, safety, durability, and so on. It provides you with superior driving experience and higher operational efficiency, as well as improving the ROI of the transportation business. JH6 provides Weichai and FAW power engines with a maximum displacement of 13L, meeting 420 to 550 horsepower and Euro 2, Euro 5 emissions. For areas with competitive natural gas prices, you can also choose Weichai CNG or LNG JH6, 400 to 460 horsepower, which is reliable, low gas consumption, and more environmentally friendly emissions. The Eaton ETO 22-113 13-speed gearbox is tough and durable, combined with synchronizer and a cable-type shift mechanism, making the shift smoother and easier. In addition, gearboxes such as FAW, Fast, ZF, Allison can also be matched. FAW truck can meet all your needs. Reinforced frames are available for heavy-duty applications. Considering the transportation requirements and complex road conditions, this JH6 is equipped with double pendulum saddle with universal joints, which makes the main trailer more stable. Under the action of differential lock and ASR, the vehicle has much stronger ability to escape difficulties. Safety is the prerequisite for efficient transportation. JH6 is equipped with Knorr-Bremse disc brakes, Wabco air units, and Wabco valves, which guarantees the braking safety of the entire vehicle with world-class quality. This JH6 is also equipped with Weichai WCBS engine braking system, and hydraulic retarder is also optional. Easy to cope with long downhill slopes and reduce brake pad wear. Beneficial from damping effect of the air seat and 4-point air suspension cab to ensure it's driving comfortable. The cab is 20-50 millimeters high with flat floor design, convenient for walking and moving. JH6 truck originates from a brand new development concept. The powertrain is mature and reliable. The international parts supply system and the world's leading digital factory can ensure the product manufacturing quality. Such JH6 can meet all your transportation requirements of high efficiency, safety, and comfort.